Hi, my digital nomads, and in this video, we're going to be talking about 10 digital marketing tools you must have. Are you ready to revolutionize your digital workflow? Imagine having the same powerful tools that successful digital nomads use to run six-figure businesses from anywhere in the world. Today, the Digital Nomad Institute is pulling back the curtain on 10 game-changing tools that most tech channels aren't talking about. Whether you're sipping coconuts in Bali or working from your favorite coffee shop in Melbourne, these tools will transform how you work online. And the best part, many of them won't cost you a dime. Meet your guide to digital freedom. Hey there, freedom seekers. The Digital Nomad Institute is here to share the hidden gems that mainstream tech channels won't cover and often overlook. We spend countless hours testing hundreds of tools to bring you the absolute best options for your digital journey. Let's face it, managing content creation, business operations, and staying productive while working remotely isn't always paradise and palm trees. Between juggling client meetings across time zones and creating engaging content, you need tools that work as hard as you do. What if you could save 20 plus hours every week and thousands of dollars in outsourcing costs? Our carefully curated list include both free and premium tools that deliver exceptional value. We're talking about transforming your entire workflow from content creation to business operations. So the first tool we're going to be talking about is called Perplexity.ai, and it's your free research assistant. It'll be your new favorite research companion. Think of it as Google meets ChatGPT, but completely free. There is a pro upgrade, but you can get most of your work done with the free option. This AI-powered search engine delivers accurate, cited results in seconds, perfect for your content research, real-time information with reliable sources, zero cost with unlimited searches. Next up is Humata.ai. Transform documents into interactive libraries. This premium tool is revolutionary how we handle documents. You can upload links to YouTube videos, or you can upload links to websites and it will quickly summarize it and allow you to ask questions and even send you a report. It's basically an interactive knowledge base that you can chat with. It instantly analyzes lengthy documents. You can ask questions and get precise answers. Perfect for course creators and consultants. Otter.ai is your free meeting transcription superhero. Whether you're conducting interviews or attending virtual meetings, Otter captures everything. Real-time transcription, speaker identification, searchable meeting notes, and it's completely free. There is a pro version that you can upgrade to, but most of what I use it for, I see the free version handles everything well. Descript is changing the game for video content creators. Edit your videos as easily as editing a text document. Remove filler words automatically, create studio sound quality recordings, generate automatic captions, and more. Hemingway Editor. The Hemingway Editor is your ticket to crystal clear writing. This free tool helps you create content that resonates with your audience, identifies complex sentences, suggests clearer alternatives, and improves readability instantly. Pxl.to takes link management to the next level with beautiful microsites for your important links. You're able to create professional link pages, track click analytics, perfect for your social media, bio links, and affiliate link tracking. Canva. Canva remains your ultimate free design tool for digital nomads, creating stunning visuals without any design experience. Professional templates, brand kit management, and collaboration features. Namelix. AI-powered business naming. Launching a new project? Namelix generates creative business names using artificial intelligence. You can generate unique brand names, check domain availability, and customize by industry. Free privacy policy. Free privacy policy generates professional legal documents in minutes. Custom terms and conditions, privacy policies, GDPR compliance, and more. Letterly.ai turns speech into polished content. Finally, Letterly.ai transforms your voice recording into polished written content. Advanced voice recognition, content reformatting options, multiple language support, and offline mode. In conclusion, these 10 tools create a seamless system for content creation and editing, business operations, professional presentations, legal compliance, smart investment strategies, and more. Let's break down the cost. Free tier tools are Perplexity.ai, Otter.ai, Hemingway Editor, Canva, Namelix, and the free privacy policy. The premium tools listed on this video are Humata.ai, Pxl.to, and Letterly.ai. Start with the free tools and reinvest your earnings into premium solutions as you grow. What are your favorite digital tools? Share in the comments below and join our community of freedom-seeking entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Nomad Institute for weekly tools, reviews, and digital nomad tips that the mainstream channels miss. Remember, the right tools don't just make you more productive, they give you the freedom to work from anywhere while building the business of your dreams. See you in the next video.